Ever wonder who really watches your videos? It's not just your subscribers or the people leaving comments. There's an entire invisible audience influencing your engagement in ways you can't even imagine. Discover who they are and how understanding them can unlock the true potential of your content. If you've ever been confused why one video soars while another flops, this is the video you need to see. Get ready, because we're about to change how you see YouTube engagement forever. Let's get started. When you upload a video, you're probably focused on a few key things: views, likes, and especially comments. You see those notifications pop up and you feel that rush. Your community is engaging. But what if I told you that the people you don't hear from are having the biggest impact on your channel's success? This is your invisible audience. They are the silent majority. They watch your content, they form opinions, and their viewing habits send powerful signals to the YouTube algorithm. In today's creator economy, brands and platforms are looking past vanity metrics. They care about true influence, and that influence is held by the viewers who watch quietly from the sidelines. This isn't just about lurkers. This is a fundamental shift in understanding your reach. These viewers might not comment, but they watch. They finish your videos. They come back for more. Their silent approval is what can make or break your monetization strategy and get your content recommended to millions. It's time to start paying attention to them. So how do you know this invisible audience even exists? You look at the silent metrics. Have you ever had a video with huge views but very few comments? Your first thought might be, oh no, people didn't like it. But that's not always true. High views with low comments can be a powerful positive signal. It often means your content is being discovered by a broad audience outside of your core community. These new viewers are in information gathering mode. They aren't ready to join the conversation yet. The two most important metrics here are watch time and audience retention. These are your direct lines to the invisible audience. Watch time is the total amount of time people have spent watching your video. A high watch time tells YouTube that your content is valuable enough to hold attention. Audience retention shows you exactly where viewers drop off. If you have a high retention rate, it means people are sticking around for the whole message. This is a massive vote of confidence from your silent viewers. Platforms are getting smarter. They know a comment can be faked, but holding someone's attention for 10, 15, or 20 minutes is a genuine sign of quality. These silent signals are what YouTube's algorithm prioritizes for content discovery. Master these metrics, and you'll command the algorithm. Why don't these people just leave a comment? The reasons are simpler than you think. Many viewers are just busy. They're watching while multitasking or fitting your content into a packed schedule. Others are pure information gatherers. They're looking for an answer, learning a skill, or making a purchasing decision. They get what they need and move on. No interaction required. Then there's the powerful confirmation bias effect. Your content might perfectly validate a viewer's existing opinion or feeling. They nod along at home thinking, exactly, but feel no need to state their agreement publicly. You've already done the work for them. This creates a quiet, powerful form of brand loyalty. Finally, there's pure emotional resonance. Sometimes a video hits so close to home or is so entertaining that it bypasses the need for a public response. The experience is personal. This sustained passive consumption is incredibly valuable. These are the viewers who will watch every video you release, even if you never hear from them. They trust you, and that trust is your most valuable asset. So how do you create content for an audience you can't see? You have to think beyond your subscriber feed and optimize for discovery. First, dominate your niche with SEO. Use tools to find out what your target audience is searching for and create content that directly answers their questions. Get specific. Don't just make a video about baking. Make a video about the best sourdough starter for beginners with no experience. Second, craft narratives that connect on a deeper level. Instead of just listing facts, tell a story. Share your struggles, your triumphs, and your aha moments. This personal connection is what will hook a passive viewer and keep them watching until the very end. And here's a game-changing tip. Shift from a call to action to a call to thought. Instead of always saying comment below or smash that like button, try ending your video with a powerful, thought-provoking question. For example, instead of, let me know what you think, try, take a moment to think about how this one change could impact your business. This inspires quiet reflection and builds long-term loyalty without demanding public participation. It's a subtle shift, but the impact is massive. Your ultimate goal is to gently encourage some of these invisible viewers to step into the light. You don't need to be pushy. The key is subtle community building. Use YouTube's tools. Run interactive polls within your videos using cards. Ask a simple multiple-choice question that's easy to answer with a single click. On your end screen, pose a thought-provoking question that sparks private reflection. Hint at future content that solves a problem they might be having. For example, if you found this helpful, you won't want to miss next week's video, where I reveal the #1 mistake people make. This builds anticipation and gives them a reason to subscribe and turn on notifications. The mission is to transform a portion of your invisible audience into visible, engaged community members. When you do this, you supercharge your content's true reach. You're not just getting more comments, you're proving that your content has a deep, loyal following, which is exactly what brands and sponsors want to see. This is how you build a real, sustainable career as a creator. So I want you to do something. Go into your YouTube studio, look at your audience retention and watch time. Think about the silent majority that is powering your channel. And now, here's a little call to thought for you. What's one thing you can do in your next video to connect with your invisible audience? Don't just think about it. Share your idea in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and start building even stronger communities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.